Hey guys, so this is just to kind of show off my project. So it's a little silly, but it was something that I decided to do because what the heck, you know. So I noticed that all of the remaining 4K players are pretty cheesy. Like, they're pretty cheap looking with shiny plastic, and they're really small. Well, not all of them, I guess. Panasonic has a nice high-end one still, that's all aluminum, but it's like, I think it's like $1,400 in Canada. And but otherwise, the other two models that they have are kind of smaller, kind of shinier ones, just really light, cheap kind of thing. The one that I had was a DP-UB420, and it was just like a little one, works fine and everything like that. But I'm like, man, you know, like, I want something that's like fits in with the home theater, looks nice, you know, something a little more substantial. It's like, you know, I don't know. So I decided to, I got a hold of this old Denon. This was, what does it actually say? This Denon Bluray player, DBP-1610. I got it really cheap. And what I did was essentially I gutted it, and I shoehorned the guts of the my modern player into here, and then I reallocated all of the, or like rewired all the buttons. Now, unfortunately, with this player that I had, only power and eject work or exist on the player, so that's the only buttons that work here. But I'll turn it on and show you. So you see the LED works. I got that remapped from the original one. I see I put the Panasonic logo here instead of the Denon one. So I got the old Denon logo. I swiped this off of an old DVD player. And this is just temporary. I want to get a better sticker than this, but I actually got this sticker off of the information sticker off the top of the old player. I just kind of stuck it on there over top of the Blu-ray logo. So you'll see I powered it up, and there it is. It is, in fact, working. And yeah, I can press the eject button, and there's your tray. And I modified it, attached this new one. I had to do some shaving of the plastic and stuff, but I got it to all work, got this all to line up and everything like that. And there you go, away it goes. And then I took this sticker off the old player to cover up the old SD slot that was on here, because there's obviously no SD slot. And yeah, that's it. So, oh, and I also I utilized actually the original infrared receiver that was on here and just wired to that one. So yeah, the remote still works like that. And so I got something a little nicer, a little more substantial, and it pretty much matches my AVR because, you know, they came out about the same time, the two Denons, right? But yeah, so I'm happy. It's all working now. I had some quirks in the past with getting the rewiring to work. I had to cut some traces on the original board here and stuff because there was kind of some funny business going on. So got that all cleaned up and working. And yeah, so I know it's silly, but let me know what you think. Thanks.